Is Tydott Debloat Pro really the game changer it claims to be, or are you just falling for clever marketing? I've dug deep into the facts, so you don't have to. Let's get real about what's in this stuff, how it works, and whether it's too good to be true. So, what is Tydott Debloat Pro? It's a daily supplement made for men, promising to shrink that bloated look, face and body, using probiotics, digestive enzymes, and potassium. The makers say you'll feel less puffy and more sharp in as little as 60 minutes. Sounds awesome, right? On their website and Amazon, the reviews are glowing. Guys call it a game changer and say it works fast. Even skeptics admit they saw results after just an hour. But here's the thing. These reviews are on platforms the company controls, so take them with a grain of salt. Now, is there any proof it's a scam? Honestly, no. No independent third-party sources have called out Tydott Debloat Pro as a fake. But there's a red flag. Trustpilot, a major review site, says Tydott has been displaying their ratings incorrectly. That doesn't mean the product is a scam, but it's a sign to be careful about believing all the hype. Experts, like those at Harvard Health, say some of the ingredients, like probiotics and digestive enzymes, can help with bloating for some people. But for most guys, the evidence just isn't strong. If bloating is a real problem for you, definitely check in with your doctor, because there could be an underlying cause that supplements won't fix. Bottom line? Tydott Debloat Pro isn't proven to be a scam, but it's also not a miracle cure. If you're thinking about trying it, just be smart. Read the fine print, talk to your doctor, and don't trust every 5-star review you see.